Did you know fasting has been around for thousands of years? Not just for religious reasons, but for amazing health benefits? Imagine losing weight, boosting your metabolism, and sharpening your brain, all by changing when you eat. Let's dive in. Intermittent fasting is all about timing. Instead of focusing on what to eat, you focus on when. For example, eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours can help your body burn fat, improve metabolism, and reset itself. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your health. Jimmy Kimmel swears by intermittent fasting, using the 5-2 method, normal eating 5 days a week and restricted calories on 2 days. He lost weight, gained energy, and improved focus. Insulin sensitivity. Fasting lowers insulin, helping your body burn stored fat and reducing the risk of diabetes. Fat burning. After about 12 hours, your body switches from burning sugar to fat, which is great for weight loss and metabolic health. 16/8. Method. Fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. 5-2. Method. Eat normally for 5 days, restrict to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat stop. Eat fast for 24 hours once or twice a week, e.g. 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. the next day. Alternate day fasting, alternate between normal eating and low-calorie days. Warrior diet, snack lightly on fruits, veggies during the day and eat a big meal in a 4-hour window, e.g. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Myth. Fasting equals starving. Reality, it's about timing, not deprivation. Concern, you'll feel too hungry. Reality, hunger fades as your body adjusts. Myth, it's unsafe for everyone. Reality, some people should avoid it, e.g. pregnant women. Always consult a doctor. Muscle loss. Reality, fasting can preserve muscle, especially with exercise. Practical tips for beginners. Choose a method, e.g. start with 16/8. Plan meals with whole foods and prep in advance. Stay hydrated, drink water, tea, or black coffee. Gradually extend fasting hours if needed. Exercise regularly to maximize benefits. Track progress and stay consistent. Document your journey and share your experiences in the comments. It might inspire someone. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy fasting!